Want to know how to make Cursor AI simplify a complex if-else statement? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application and you should be on this interface right here. So we have also created similar videos and various videos regarding Cursor AI and how to use them, so make sure to watch it. So now, once you're here, I have this is our code written right here. Just simply select Ctrl plus A in order to select the entire code and then select Ctrl plus K or just simply select quick edit in order to open this up. So once that is done, since you are simplifying any if-else statement, just simply select this. And now once you select the generate, here your code should be generated, and as you can see right here, you can just simply select keep in order to keep your code and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.